The success of a company today isn't just about the products or services it offers. It's driven by the people behind them. So how do you keep your employees happy, motivated, and engaged? Let's go right ahead and look at specific, actionable ways managers can keep their employees happy, with insights from leadership experts and real-world examples. One of the biggest factors in employee happiness is autonomy. Daniel Pink, in his book Drive: The Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us, talks about how autonomy, giving people the freedom to make decisions and manage their own work, is a key motivator. When employees have control over their tasks, they feel more engaged and invested. For example, let us look at Google. They've been famous for their 20% time, where employees could spend 1 day a week working on side projects of their choosing, even if those projects weren't directly related to their roles. This not only led to the creation of major products like Gmail and Google News, but also fostered a culture of creativity and trust. Employees were empowered to innovate, and it paid off. Recognition goes a long way in making employees feel valued. It doesn't need to be over the top, but it must be sincere. As Ken Blanchard, author of The 1 Minute Manager, put it, the key to successful leadership today is influence, not authority. When managers genuinely recognize their employees' contributions, they build trust and create an environment where people want to give their best. As an example, Zappos, the online retailer known for its stellar customer service, has a culture of appreciation. Managers are encouraged to send handwritten thank you notes, award certificates, or even small gifts to employees who go the extra mile. This simple yet effective recognition boosts morale and keeps employees motivated. Employees don't want to feel stuck in a dead-end job. They want opportunities to grow and develop. Jim Collins, author of Good to Great, emphasizes that it's important not just to have the right people on the team, but to keep them engaged and growing within the organization. Without that, even the most talented employees can become disengaged. Adobe is a great example of a company that prioritizes growth. Their Kickbox program gives employees the resources, tools, and even funding to develop their own ideas, much like starting their own mini startup within the company. This kind of internal innovation not only sparks creativity but also keeps employees excited about their potential and the company's future. A positive and inclusive work culture has a huge impact on employee happiness. Amy Cuddy, an organizational psychologist, talks a lot about how the way we make people feel is just as important as what we say. When employees feel like they belong and are respected, they are more likely to stay engaged and perform at their best. Salesforce stands out here with its commitment to a positive work environment. Their Ohana culture, meaning family in Hawaiian, emphasizes inclusivity, collaboration, and supporting each other's growth. This approach has not only helped them build a loyal, happy workforce, but also earned them a spot as one of the best places to work year after year. In an era where burnout is a real concern, it's crucial for managers to encourage a healthy work-life balance. Arianna Huffington, co-founder of the Huffington Post and author of Thrive, says, "Success is not about climbing the ladder, it's about how we live our lives." Encouraging employees to take time for themselves, disconnect from work, and focus on their personal well-being isn't just nice, it's essential. LinkedIn is an excellent example of a company that has embraced work-life balance. The company offers flexible hours, the ability to work remotely, and even provides LinkedIn Learning for employees to develop new skills during their personal time. By offering these benefits, LinkedIn makes it clear that they care about their employees' well-being, which in turn helps boost morale and productivity. A culture of open communication is key to keeping employees happy. Managers should make a point to check in with their team, listen to their concerns, and make sure they feel heard. As Simon Sinek, author of Start With Why, puts it, leadership is not about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge. When employees feel their voices are heard, they're more likely to stay engaged and loyal to the company. At Microsoft, under Satya Nadella's leadership, there has been a shift toward more transparent communication. Nadella introduced a growth mindset culture, emphasizing continuous learning and open dialogue. Regular feedback sessions, employee surveys, and transparent decision-making help employees feel involved in the company's direction, creating a sense of inclusion and shared purpose. Fair compensation and benefits are foundational to employee happiness. As Patrick Lencioni, author of The Advantage, says, "The most important thing a manager can do is create an environment where people can do their best work. Competitive pay, good health benefits, and perks are important ways to show employees that you respect their contributions." Example: Patagonia is known not just for its commitment to environmental causes, but also for offering some of the best employee benefits in the industry. From on-site childcare to flexible work hours and generous parental leave, Patagonia ensures that employees feel valued and supported. These benefits help retain talent and foster long-term loyalty. To conclude, creating a happy, engaged workforce isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for long-term success. As managers, it's our job to create environments where employees feel empowered, recognized, supported, and valued. So, the key to keeping employees happy? Lead with empathy, purpose, and a genuine desire to help your team succeed. After all, a happy employee is a productive employee.